everybody, how you all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods, wherever you are? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Dongayard. Wanna pretty? Welcome you all, my new subscribers, my new viewers. Welcome, welcome. Welcome to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. And most of all, welcome to the Jamaican food. My whole subscribers, those that were there, those that started the journey. Yeah man, uno know it, you know. A resounding manners and respect to you all. It no matter if you can't talk my language, yes I know, uno supposed to know this by then. Manners and respect, big up on yourself. Thank you, thank you, thank you all. Now, I am on my Sunday morning breakfast journey again. Today, we are doing our breakfast, and as usual, you know, it's a journey. We are all a family, so whatever we have or whatever I have, I always feel comfortable taking you on the journey. So let's get rolling. Right here, get right in, camera girl. Whoops, my hands are clean, they're always clean. So I have my stacker roasted, fried off, and sliced breadfruit. Some of us here, we want to have it fried over, so I'll proceed to show you all how you get it fried over. It has been roasted. Some of them turn. When we say turn, it's almost to ripe. So it have a little sweetness in there. Okay? So, right here I have my dough that has been kneaded and left to rest. It has been resting for a good while now. This morning, I'm not frying any dumpling this morning. I'm going to do you all some fried roti. I family, roti of Indian, you know, them do it the best. I am not very good at it. So most of the times I try to fry it. And when you fry it off, it's nice. So we are doing this morning some fried over roast breadfruit. Not all, because some people want it just because they are warm. I woke early, went outside and we did it. So you check out the roast breadfruit video. I'm going to go right out and do and do my roast my breadfruit from a good fry. And we like this now. So right over here, I have my saltfish beans scalding off. This is the second water. I have a little ackee because we're not going to proceed to do all ackee. I'm going to show you how we're doing it in two parts today. Right here, I have my bacon, and I have my frankfurter and all of that. So, when you see me next, you'll see my roti bean rolling. I'm going to show I roll it and how I cut it, the shape that I cut it in to fry it off. And I'm going to fry off some of my breadfruit. Pick up my saltfish with my bacon and my frankfurter and fix up my ackee and get my cup of tea and some water. You all stick and stay. Sunday morning breakfast journey will be continuing.